Hello everybody, my name is JT. Today we're going to do a quick review on this Paladone PlayStation icon lights. So the reason I purchased this one is I was looking for something to brighten up my studio room for a live show, and I found this. So you're getting the icon lights. You're getting a manual, and you're getting the actual cables to turn it on. This is also battery operated, just in case if you don't want to use the cable itself. So I really like the way it looks overall, the vibrant lights coming from individual actual icons themselves. The lights themselves have three different light modes. They have a standard light, a special effect color phase, and it has a music reacting mode as well. So you can power this two ways. You can use a USB cable or you can use actual batteries themselves. It's a 3 AAA batteries, which are not included. The height of the icon lights is 4 inches and the length is 12 inches. So if you're looking for a novel light to light up your room, you might want to consider this one by Paladone. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Take care. Bye bye.